Hi, I'm Brett Vines, Communications Officer for Union County. On Thursday, September 4th, the North Carolina Secretary of Health and Human Services, Dr. Aldana Voss, visited the Union County Human Services Department. The purpose of Dr. Voss's visit was to recognize the accomplishments that the combined Human Services Department has made, especially those achieved by the Division of Social Services, in regards to child welfare services and economic services. Chairman of the Union County Board of Commissioners, Frank Akmus, and County Manager Cindy Coto were on hand to greet Dr. Voss and her staff. Others present for Dr. Voss's visit included Executive Director of Human Services Richard Matins, Director of Union County Division of Social Services Ray Alepa, Acting Director of the Division of Mental Health, Developmental Disabilities and Substance Abuse Services Dr. Courtney Cantrell, and other Human Services staff. Dr. Voss thanked the Human Services Department staff for the hard work they put in on their response plan since the November 2013 Wanda Sue Larson incident. She also thanked the staff for their hard work on implementing the North Carolina FAST system. And she took questions from staff on a variety of subjects.
I wanted to thank the staff. The staff had a difficult year in a very unfortunate, very heart-wrenching situation. I wanted to come here to thank them for doing the right thing, for working together, for working collaboratively, so that we can make sure that we never are faced with a similar situation. And I also wanted to come here to ask them if there's anything I can personally do to help them. What are their challenges? How can we help? How can we make it better for them? How can we work with them so that ultimately we will all succeed?
Accompanying Secretary Voss on her visit was Deputy Secretary of Human Services Sherry Bratcher. Deputy Secretary Bratcher has worked closely with Union County since November 2013.
Very pleased with the work and the process and the progress that Union County has made over the course of the last year. I think the leadership, their commitment to looking at their processes and how they manage child welfare is going to move this county in the right direction. As having staff here, we've learned a lot through the process, and I think having that opportunity to do that deep dive, to look at staffing, to look through cases, we've used that model now in a couple of other counties and are seeing some opportunities for improvements in child welfare overall, not just specific to Union County, but to the state as a whole.